To truly understand the 2019 minting of this coin, we have to look back to March 2018. The National Bank of Ukraine announced a massive optimization plan for its circulating currency. The goal was simple yet radical: completely replace the low-denomination paper banknotes, specifically the 1, 2, 5, and 10 hryvnia bills, with heavy-duty circulating coins. Now, why would a central bank go through the immense logistical headache of changing an entire country's physical cash system? It all came down to basic economics and durability. Small denomination paper banknotes change hands constantly. They get folded, crumpled, torn, and soiled. Because of this intense wear and tear, a typical 2 hryvnia paper banknote had a lifespan of just 1 to 2 years before it became completely unusable and had to be destroyed. Coins, on the other hand, are nearly indestructible by comparison. A coin minted from durable metal can easily circulate in the economy for 20 to 30 years without losing its structural integrity. The National Bank of Ukraine calculated that by making this permanent shift from paper to metal, the government would save an estimated 1 billion hryvnias in printing and maintenance costs. The 2019 2 hryvnia coin we see today was right in the middle of that historic transition. Physically, the 2 hryvnia coin is highly practical. It is made of nickel-plated steel, which gives it a bright, silver-like sheen, a distinct metallic ring, and a strong resistance to corrosion. It weighs exactly 4.0 grams with a diameter of 20.2 millimeters, making it compact and easy to carry. But it's the artwork where this coin truly shines. The design blends cutting-edge modern minting with centuries of cultural heritage. On the obverse side, prominently featured at the top, is the small state coat of arms of Ukraine, the iconic trizub, or trident. Look closely at the border surrounding the central number 2. This isn't just random decoration. This intricate, geometric framing is an Old Rus ornamental border. It pays direct homage to the ancient art styles found in historic Ukrainian manuscripts and traditional textiles, symbolizing national unity, continuity, and deep historical roots. Below the main denomination, you see the year of issue, 2019, nestled perfectly into the pattern.